everyone! We often get confused with the sound of the alphabet G. G gives out two sounds, J and K. But the problem is when to use J and when to use G. It is very simple. Just see if G is followed by the letters E, I, Y, any one of them, then the sound of G will be J. For example, gem, giraffe, orange, giant, village. But if G is not followed by any one of these three and is followed by any other letter, then the sound of G will be G. For example, gum, gang, hang, sung. It is very simple. Just have a look to the alphabet, the letter after it, and you'll be able to determine its sound.